Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a everyday makeup foundation routine. So this is what I would wear to work if I'm going to work, and just on the road if I'm not feeling like doing like extra lashes, highlight, all that stuff. So this is just foundation, contour, and concealer under the eyes. That's it. So stay tuned for this video. I will be posting a eyebrow routine soon, so stay tuned to that. And go ahead, subscribe, like, and share this channel. Alright, so the first step I usually take before I do my makeup is I put my edges down. So let's go ahead and do that. What I use is Edge Booster. This right here is a sweet peach scent. Then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be right back with that. I'll show you guys in another video how I usually do my eyebrows. Alright, I'm back. These are how my eyebrows are done. It's just really quick. I didn't really spend much time on it. But the next step we're gonna be taking is primer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin primer. Just a little bit here. And we're gonna rub that in. They basically just fill your pores, so your makeup is like not going in the grooves, and then you can just see every hole in your face. And next I'm gonna put the Fenty Beauty Primer on top of that as well. This kind of like keeps me matte throughout the whole day. Alright, then after that I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty concealer. This is in 360. It's light, but once I put my foundation on it, it just gives me a little highlight under my eyes. Just a little bit. I don't use a whole lot. Then I'm going to have my wet beauty blender and just go under my eyes and blend it out. Alright, after that, then I'm going to use my Anastasia contour palette, contour cream kit. And I'm going to use Coral, the center one, this one, to like cover my dark spots. So like down here, right here. Just like that. After I'm done with that, then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using the M.A.C foundation right now in 8. This is the Match Master SPF 15 foundation. Yeah, in 8.0. Then I'm gonna use these brushes right here. 2 pumps I think is okay. I don't like a lot of foundation on my face because then it just feels real cakey. Then I'm just gonna go in and blend it out. Go between your eyes, on your lid. I don't like to put concealer on my lid. I don't know. I might start, but I just feel like it's too light. Go down to your neck. Can't be having 2 different shades on your face. Like, it's hella dark down here and then light on your face. Make sure you always get the correct like foundation that matches your skin. If not, then find something else to like blend it with so that it can fit better. Alright, then I'm gonna go back to my beauty blender and I'm gonna use this She Luxe banana powder. I got it in this Spanish store at the mall. It's been working really good. So it's a cheap version for the I forgot what brand it is, but it's like a banana powder. Same thing, banana powder. I feel like this is a little lighter than that one, but it works. And it was only like $3. So and I'm gonna put this under my eyes so they don't crease up. Alright, and while that's setting, I'm gonna use my contour. It's the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Espresso. It's called Matchstick in Espresso. And then I'm just gonna put that on my cheek, under my cheek here, just like that. Then I'm gonna use this brush I got from Target. Actually, no, I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna link the brushes that I'm using down below. They were only like, I think $10 for a whole set of brushes. And just blend that out. And I like to go here under my cheek. Then we're gonna go ahead and brush the powder that we just put on off. Then sometimes it leaves under my eye looking super light, so I go back in with that brush I use for my foundation and I'm just gonna go under like that, just so everything blends really good. You can also go in with your beauty blender and just go around where you put the foundation, just to get it in there really good. And just dab it like that. Alright, then after that, you just got eyeliner and mascara, and that's about it. So we're gonna put it under top lid, bottom lid. So what mascara really does, it kind of makes your eyelashes look fuller. So I don't really like to put too much, I don't look gothic, so I just put a little bit. Then I'm gonna put some under here. Then I'm gonna go in e.l.f. with my e.l.f. mascara. We're gonna go on top and go down. And then go up with it. Try to, when they start clustering together, try to like push them apart. Do the same thing on the other side. And then go up. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Well, not really under, just go down. Or go like that, so you don't make a mess. Alright, and then once I'm done with that, I don't really wear blush and highlighter for like a everyday look. Like I don't want to go to work too glammed up, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just gonna spray this e.l.f. finishing spray, Illuminating Mist and Set. Just like that. Gonna let that dry. Alright, then the last step we're gonna do is lip gloss. I don't really like lipstick that much. The most I wear is like a plumping lip gloss or regular lip gloss. Sometimes I wear it once in a while, but or like a lip liner. But what I wear most is lip gloss. And that's it. Then we take this off. And then go ahead and tighten that. We could even do a bun. And that's about it, guys. This is my everyday foundation routine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm trying to stick to putting more videos out there more often. So look forward to more beauty videos, army videos, videos about my Jeep because I'm going to be doing upgrades on it. Just videos about everything, home decoration, just stuff like that. Just stay tuned. I'm going to try to stay consistent, at least 2 videos a week. So just go ahead and subscribe so you know when they're posted. And enjoy. Peace.